So, first of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the second term, lesson number 1, mathematics. We are going to start division, guys, today. And the first topic in the division is the division sentence. So, we are going to learn about division, how to share into equal groups, and we will learn about division and multiplication relation. And we'll do some practice about that. So on page number 65, guys, there is a heading division sentence. So let's read it first. Can you share the storybooks into 2 equal groups? Yes, we can share the storybooks into 2 equal groups. So how many total books are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are total 4 storybooks, and we have to share into 2 equal groups. So we have 2 boys here. We have to share these books into 2 boys. So I'll give this 1 book to this boy and 1 book to this boy. So each boy is having 1 book now. If I give 1 more book to this boy, so this boy 2, and 1 more book to this boy, so this boy also have 2 books now. So each boy will get 2 storybooks if we divide these books equally into these 2 boys. So guys, I can say that 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. This is called division sentence. This is called division sentence. 4 divided by 2 is a division sentence. We read this as 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So I would like to tell you guys how to write division sentence. In the division sentence, you always write the dividend first. The number of objects you want to divide. Here you want to divide the number of, you want to divide the books. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 books. So you will write 4 first. The second thing in the division sentence, you write the division sign. This is the division sign. So first number you write, how many total objects are there which you want to divide equally. So there are 4 books, that's why I write 4. The second thing is to write the division sentence. Division sign. 4 divided. The third thing what you have to write, that is you want to divide into how many equal groups. You want to divide into how many equal groups. So it's written here, guys, you want to divide into 2 equal groups, or you can even see that there are 2 boys. So because you want to divide into 2 equal groups, that's why you will write here 2. 4 divide by 2. The fourth thing you have to write in the division sentence, that is equal to sign. This is equal to sign. And after that, you have to write the answer. When you have 4 books, when you divide 4 books equally into 2 groups, in each group, how many books there will be. So this is very simple, guys. In order to find out the answer, what you can do, you can check the table of 2. You can check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4? Check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4? So 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 2 equals to 4. Because 2 by 2 is equals to 4, that's why 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. This is the answer. Again, I repeat, guys. When you divide 4 by 2, so you will check the table of 2. 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? So check the table of 2. 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 2, 4. So because 2 by 2 is equals to 4, that's why 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So this is the division sentence. This is the division sentence. In division sentence, you write the number which you want to divide, the number of objects. Here there are 4 books, so you write 4. Then you write the division sign. This is the division sign. Then you write the number of equal groups you want. You want to divide 4 into how many equal groups? 2 equal groups. So you write 2. And then is equals to, after that you will write the answer. 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. That's mean each boy will get 2 storybooks. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, yes.
Very good. And how to divide? For dividing 4 by 2 or 4 by 2, you can check the table of 2. The number, the divisor, the number by which you are dividing, you will check the table of 2 to the dividend, to the number which you are dividing. 2 multiplied by what will give you 4? So 2 by 1, 2 or 2 by 2, 4. So that's why the answer is 2. Let's read it further, guys. Each boy will get 2 storybooks. That's fine. When you share objects into 2 groups, you are actually dividing by 2. So use this sign to mean divide. I told you guys this sign means division. This sign means division. Okay, let's have one more example, guys. Look at the screen. This is not in your book. This is out of the book. There is an example which we will look now. So the example is, there are 15 books. There are 15 books and 3 shelves. So these are the books and these are the shelves. Okay. How many books are there? 15. And how many shelves are there? 3. How many books can I put on a shelf? That's mean on one shelf, how many books can I put so that each shelf has an equal number of books. So I want to divide these books equally into 3 shelves, and I want to know that how many books will I have to put on one shelf. This is the question. So guys, first I will start writing the division sentence. You know it that to write the division sentence, first thing you have to write the total number of objects. Here you have books, so the total number of books are dash. Can you tell me, guys, how many total books are there?
15. Yes.
Absolutely right, guys. There are 15 books. There are 15 books. So to write a division sentence, first I will write 15. I will write 15 because I want to divide 15 books into 3 shelves. After writing 15, the second thing in the division sentence, that should be a division sign. So 15, then division sign. 15 divided by. Now I will check in how many equal groups I want to divide these 15 books. So I have 3 shelves. So I want to divide these 15 books into 3 equal groups. So I will write here 3. I will write here 3. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Very clear, very clear.
That's very good. Guys, there are total 15 books because while writing a division sentence, you always write the total number of objects you want to divide first. So there are total 15 books, you write 15. Then after you write division sign, and then after you write 3 because you want to divide 15 books into 3 equal groups. After this, there must be is equal to sign, and then there should be an answer. Okay. So for 15 divided by 3 equals to what? First you should know it. For that, what you will do, guys? You will check the table of 3. So 3 multiplied by what will give me 15? I will check the table of 3 and I will check 3 multiplied by what will give me 15. So I will take one student for this who know the table of 3. I know you all know the table of 3, but I will only take one of the student, and this is Ahmad Al-Badi. Ahmad Al-Badi.
What, sir?
Yes, Ahmad, do you know the table of 3?
Yes.
Check the table of 3. 3, how many times will give you 15?
5.
5 times, okay. But we want to hear the table from you. From 3 multiply by 1.
Tell the table.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 times 1 are 3. 3 times 2 are 6. 3 times 3 are 9. 3 times 4 are 12. 3 times 5 are 15.
That's fine. Fine, Ahmad. That's enough. Thank you.
Welcome.
So you see, guys, Ahmad read the table. 3 by 5 equals to 15. Again, I'll check the table. 3 by 1, 3. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 3, 9. 3 by 4, 12. And 3 by 5 equals to 15. 3 by what? 5 equals to 15. That's mean 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. So the answer is 5. And this is the division sentence. This is the division sentence. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. This is the division sentence. So I can say that there will be 5 books on each shelf, or I can put 5 books on each shelf. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So this is the division sentence. 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. That's mean I can put 5 books on each shelf. Look, I can show you here also. If I put 5 books here and 5 books here. So this is 10, and after 10, 5 books here, so it becomes 15. So that's perfect. 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here, total 15 books. And on each shelf there are 5 books. That means we have divided 15 books equally into 3 shelves. Now I will read it further, guys. Divide means to share equally. Divide means to share equally. By sharing equally, we can find the number of objects in each group. If you want to know how many number of objects in one group after sharing it equally, for that you can do division. Look, there is one more example, guys. I have 15 books. Now I have 15 books. I put 5 books on each shelf. How many shelves I need? So guys, now you have 15 books and you know that you have to put 5 books on each shelf. So if you put 5 books on one shelf, how many shelves do you need to divide 15 books? So again, guys, you have to write the division sentence. The total books are 15. Then you will write the division sign. This is the division sign. And in one shelf, how many books you want to put? 5. You want to put 5 books in one shelf. So 15 divided by 5 equals to what? For that you can check the table of 5. 5 multiplied by dash equals to 15. 5 by 1, 5, 5 by 2, 10, and 5 by 3 equals to 15. So the answer will be 3. So this is the division sentence, that 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3, and that's mean I need 3 shelves. I need 3 shelves. So if I have 15 books and I put 5 books on each shelf, so I need 3 shelves. So divide also means to group. Divide also means to group. By putting objects into group, we can find the number of equal groups as well. So by dividing, we can find out the number of objects in one group, and we can even find the number of equal groups. If we know in one group how many objects are there, so we can find the total number of equal groups by doing division. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So again, guys, there is one more example, and this is also out of the book. This is not in the book. So let's have a quick go through on the relationship between division and multiplication. What is their relation? So for that, guys, look at the example on your screen. The example says there are 4 biscuits on each plate. On every plate, there are 4 biscuits. I can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on each plate, there are 4 biscuits. That's fine. How many biscuits are there altogether? So this is very easy, guys. This is multiplication question. You know, there are 4 biscuits in one plate. So how many total plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 plates. 6 plates means there are 6 fours, because on each plate there are 4 biscuits, or I can say there are 6 groups of 4. So in order to find out the total number of biscuits, you will simply multiply that. 6 by 4 equals to 24. 6 by 4 is equals to 24. So there are total 24 biscuits, or there are 24 biscuits all together. Now, this is multiplication, guys. This is easy. We have already done it, okay? Now, guys, if I ask you to divide these 24 biscuits in group of 6, so what you will do? Because there are 24 biscuits, in the division sentence, what you write first? You write the total number of objects you want to divide. So you want to divide 24 biscuits. That's why you will write 24 first. Put 24 biscuits in group of 6 on plates. In one plate, put 6 biscuits. In one plate, put 1 biscuit. 6 biscuits. So now you know that in one group, how many biscuits you need to divide. So you can write it. The next thing you have to write, that is division sentence. And in one group or in one plate, you have to put 6 biscuits. So you will write 6. The next is equals to. And then you will check the table of 6. 6 multiplied by what will give you 24. So I'll check the table of 6. 6 by 1, 6, 6 by 2, 12, 6 by 3, 18, and 6 by 4, 24. So the answer is 4. 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. This is the division sentence. When you divide 24 biscuits into in group of 6 on plates, so each plate will have, so there will be 4 plates. If you divide 24 biscuits in group of 6 on plates, on one plate, if you put 6 biscuits, so there must be 4 plates for 24 biscuits. So this is the division sentence, guys. So 24 biscuits you plate on 6. So each plate will have 6. That's why there will be 4 plates and and 24 biscuits will come in 4 plates. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So guys, you have to look here that 24 biscuits are divided into groups of 6. So 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. So there are 4 groups of 6 biscuits now. 4 groups of 6 biscuits now. And you know that 4 groups of 6 or 6 groups of 4, both are total 24 biscuits. Right? So we multiply when we put equal numbers together. We multiply when we put equal groups together, and we divide to find the number of equal groups. So this is very important, guys. You have to focus here. For multiply, when we multiply, when we have to put equal groups together, when we have to find out how many total are there, and we divide when we have to find out the number of equal groups or number of objects in one group. So multiply is actually the opposite of division. Multiplication is the opposite of division. Look here, this is 6 by 4 equals to 24. This is 6 by 4 equals to 24. There are 6 groups of 4. So total biscuits are 24. But if I ask you, if I divide 24 biscuits in 4 plates, so how many biscuits will be there in one plate? There will be 6 biscuits. Look, 6 by 4 equals to 24. There are 6 groups of 4. On each plate there are 4 biscuits. So the total biscuits are 24. Now I do opposite. There are 24 biscuits and I want to put 4 biscuits. I want to put 4 biscuits on one plate. So I want to put 4 biscuits on one plate. How many plates I need? So 24, because I want to put 4 biscuits on one plate, I will divide it by 4. So on one plate I need 6 biscuits, so I need 6 plates. If I put 4 biscuits on one plate, I need total 6 plates. Just wait, guys. I told you guys this is not in the book. On the book we just have we are on page number 65. The example I'm giving you, this is out of the book. This is out of the book. So those students who are sending me messages, the page who are asking me page number, this is for you. That there is this is not in the book. These examples I'm taking out of the book. Okay. So when I will come to the book, I'll tell you. On the book, we just have studied that page number 65, and we have just read the example. And except page number 65, we will not cover anything today from the book. I hope I am clear to you, right? All right, guys. So I was telling you the relationship between multiplication and division. So multiplication is exactly opposite to the division. So with one multiplication sentence, I can make 2 division sentence. With one multiplication sentence, I can make 2 division sentences as well. So let's come here first, guys. This is also one of the question, one of the 2 examples are there. This is also out of the book. What you have to do, guys, here, share 14 cherries equally between 2 girls. There are 14 cherries you have to share in between 2 girls. How many cherries does each girl will get? So this is very easy, guys, because in these questions you can take help from the pictures. So 14 cherries are there. You have to divide into 2 girls. So there are 2 groups of dash. In one group, how many cherries are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 2 groups of 7. That means there are total 2 multiplied by 7 cherries. 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14. That means there are total 14 cherries. That's fine. Now you want to divide 14 cherries into 2 groups. You want to divide 14 cherries into 2. So see guys, this is exactly opposite. First, you see there are 2 groups of 7. You find out how many total cherries are there. Now, you are doing opposite. There are total 14 cherries and you want to divide into 2 equal groups. So 14 cherries when you divide into 2 equal groups. So this will be 14 divided by 2. How you will write it first? You want to divide total cherries, there are 14. So first you write 14, then the division sentence. Then you want to divide into how many equal groups? 2. Then is equal to, and then the answer. So for that, 2 multiplied by what will give you 14. 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, and 2 by 4, 8, 2 by 5, 10, 2 by 6, 12, and 2 by 7, 14. So 7 is the answer. So 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7, that each girl will get 7 cherries. So you can see that multiplication and division both are opposite to each other. First, you have 2 groups of 7. You count the number of groups and you find how many total cherries are there. There were 14. Now, from 14 cherries, you divide by 2 and you see that when you divide 14 cherries by into 2 equal groups, so each girl will get 7 cherries. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
That's very good. Look at the B, guys. Put 14 cherries equally on plates of 2. Here you are dividing into 2 girls. Now you are telling that 14 cherries you have to put on plates of 2. That's mean on one plate you have to put 2 cherries. How many plates are there? So now you will want to know how many total number of equal groups will be there if you divide 2 cherries in one group. Okay. Again, guys, first you will find out that there are dash groups of 2. How many groups of 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 groups of 2. 7 groups of 2 means 7 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 2, same as 2 multiplied by 7, which is 14. Now do the opposite. 14 divided by 2, because there are total 14 cherries and you want 2 cherries in one plate. So this will be also 7 and there will be 7 plates. In this way, we learn that multiplication and division both are opposite to each other. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
yes, yes.
Very good. One more thing, guys, I would like to tell you that with one multiplication sentence, you can make 2 division sentence. Okay? With one multiplication sentence, you can make 2 division sentence. Let me erase it first, then I will give you the example. There are 6 groups of 4s, right? So there are total 24 biscuits. If you want to write division sentence from it, how you can write? You can write 24 because there are total 24 biscuits. So obviously you will write 24 first. Divide 24 by any of the number. Write 24. Divide 24 by any of the number. Let's suppose I'm dividing it by 6 first. So the next number will be your answer. You divide 24 by 6. So this will be your answer then. 4 will be your answer. Same here, if you divide 24 by 4, if you divide 24 by 4, then look, now you are dividing 24 by 4. So what is the next number? 6. So 6 will be your answer. So from one multiplication sentence, you can make two division sentences. From 24, if you divide 4, you will get 6. If you divide 6, you will get 4. This is not for only this multiplication sentence, for any multiplication sentence. Okay. So you can even check the table of 6. 24 divided by 6, 6 by 1, 6, 6 by 2, 12, 6 by 3, 18, and 6 by 4, 24. So 4 is the answer. You can check the table of 4. 4 by 1, 4, 4 by 2, 8, 4 by 3, 12, 4 by 4, 16, 4 by 5, 20, and 4 by 6 equals to 24. So from one multiplication sentence, you can make two division sentence. Let's suppose I take one example. Here, there are 3 biscuits on one plate and such 2 plates are there. So the total number of biscuits are 6. There are 6 biscuits altogether. This is one of the division sentence. This is one of the multiplication sentence. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. If there are 3 biscuits on one plate and such 2 plates are there, so there are 6 biscuits altogether. What if I write division sentence from this multiplication sentence? The total biscuits are 6. The total biscuits are 6. If I divide 6 biscuits into 3 plates, then how many biscuits will be there in one plate? So I am dividing 6 by 3. So which number is left here? This is 2. So the answer will be 2. So there will be 2 biscuits on one plate. Same guys here. If I divide 6 biscuits in 2 plates, how many biscuits will be there in one plate? So the plates are 2, where I want to divide 6 biscuits into 2 plates. So which number is left? This is 3. So 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So from one multiplication sentence, I write two division sentence. 3 by 2 equals to 6. That means 6 by 3 equals to 2 and 6 by 2 equals to 3. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
That's very good. Let's do some practice, guys. This is 5 multiplied by 4. This is 5 multiplied by 4. Can you tell me 5 multiplied by 4 equals to what? Guys, my voice is not clear to you? Guys, my voice is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, please tell me 5 multiplied by 4 equals to what? Five multiplied by 4 equals to what? Muhammad, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Muhammad Arshman Aziz, very good. Muhammad Kashan, Abdul Muid, Muhammad Majdi, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys. 5 multiplied by 4 equals to what?
20.
Very good. 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Now look, this is 20 divided by 4. This is 20 divided by 5. Can you tell me 20 divided by 5 will be equals to what? Yes?
Five. Four. Four.
Okay, I'll write it again. Look here, this is 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. This is 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. You are writing a division sentence. In the division sentence, you are dividing 20 by 5. In the division sentence, you are dividing 20 by 5. So which number is left? This is 4. So the answer would be 4. 20 divided by 5 will be equals to 4. Am I right? Yes, guys, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I tell you what is 8 multiplied by 5. 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. Can you tell me 40 divided by 8 equals to what? Yes, 40 divided by 8 equals to what?
Five.
Very good. So guys, this is 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40. Right? And you are asked 40 divided by 8. When 40 is divided by 8. So which number is left? The third number is 5. So 40 divided by 8 is equals to 5. You can even check the table. Check the table of 8. 8 by 1, 8. 8 by 2, 16. 8 by 3, 24. 8 by 4, 32. And 8 by 5, 40. Same here, guys. 9 by 6 is equals to 54. 9 by 6 is equals to 54. Can you tell me 54 divided by 6 equals to what? 54 divided by 6 equals to what? Very good. 54 divided by 6 equals to 9. So guys, this will be the end of our class. Inshallah, we'll continue from here, from the next class. So take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next class.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.